end of financial year is just around the corner. I just want to make sure you're ready for it. Over 81% of Australians are planning on taking advantage of sales during this end of financial year. Last year, in the final 2 weeks of June alone, Australians spent over $2 billion online. This represents a massive opportunity for your business to absolutely smash their sales targets. But with competition more intense than ever, you need to make sure your end of financial year strategy is the very best it can be and stands out from your competition. Follow these 4 tips and get ready to have the best end of financial year sale you've ever had. Number 1, have a strong, clear offer. Your offer needs to be above 20%, otherwise you'll just lose out to your competition. Number 2, create a sense of urgency in your ad. Why should your customer buy now? Maybe the sale only runs for 3 days, or maybe there's a coupon code that's only valid for 24 hours. Number 3, educate your customers. You have to be aware that in running these sales, you're still going to be showing it to a lot of cold audiences. So it's absolutely vital that you educate your customer about your product. Number 4, broaden your targeting. Use a portion of your budget to target a larger warm audience than you would usually target. Maybe you look at an audience that has visited your website in the last 180 days. This will help transition your web visitors into actual paying customers. Now that you've got the 4 best practice principles to run a killer end of financial year sale, I'm going to run you through how to select the best strategy for your business. We hear again and again from our clients about their concerns around running a sale and how that might be detrimental to their brand or its perceived value. But I want to assure you that for every concern you have, there is a perfect strategy there that will still help you take advantage of this sales period. The first concern that we hear all the time is that clients are worried that a sale is going to affect their average order value or their profit margins. If this is your concern, the solution is to create bundles. Make sure that your bundle includes some of your best sellers and also some products that have great profit margins. Another concern that we hear all the time from our clients is that they don't want to discount their best sellers, because after all, they're already selling so well. The answer to this is to discount a certain range only. So create an exclusive end of financial year collection that has some of your products that have a really high profit margin and also some other really popular products that will get customers excited about this sale. Another concern that we hear is that for some clients, they don't feel that a sale is on brand for them. I've got 3 words for that: gift with purchase. Maybe you've got a lower cost product that you can give away with a purchase. This is a great way to expose customers to more of your product range. This is a particularly good strategy for brands that have a smaller product range and also brands that have a sustainability focus as well. This is because for a lot of these types of brands, the products you buy are generally just one-time purchases. Using this strategy will get customers excited about your other products and then encourage them to buy again in the future. Another way that you can really excite your customers and get potential sales across the line is by collaborating with other brands in a similar space to your brand and cross-sell. We have a client in the female care space that ran this exact strategy and they made $68,000 of sales in 1 day as a result. Paired with a 13% website conversion rate, that was a very successful end of financial year sale for them. And the last complaint that we hear is you just don't want to run a sale at all. The solution to this is gift cards. You can give your customers who have made a purchase with you an e-gift card to use at your store again in the future. This not only encourages your customers to buy with you again in the future, but also gives back to them for buying in the first place, which creates customer loyalty. By running this strategy, you're not diminishing your brand value or your profit margins at all by running a sale, and you're increasing your customer lifetime value. Our client in the print space ran this exact strategy and came away with a 28-time return on investment. If you want the experts to set up your end of financial year sale so you can get the best possible results, or you think you could just benefit from a really thorough audit, get in touch with us today.